Recent leaks have offered a sneak peek at Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series. With the launch drawing closer, the frequency and intensity of these leaks are only expected to increase. The latest images, unveiled online today, showcase the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Ultra. One standout detail in these leaks is an accessory design that draws a noticeable comparison to Apple's iPhone. Last month, reports revealed that the Galaxy S25 series would introduce Qi 2 wireless charging, a standard influenced by Apple's MagSafe technology. This feature allows for magnetic alignment with compatible devices, similar to how the Galaxy Watch aligns perfectly on its charging puck. Images from Gizmo China highlight Spigen Crystal Flex cases for the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Ultra, featuring a MagSafe-style ring on the back. These images also reveal a new blue color option for the series, officially named Icy Blue for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, and Titanium Silver Blue for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, a new image shared by renowned industry tipsters Ice Universe and EvLeaks offers yet another glimpse of the phone. The latest image showcases the device itself, highlighting the most significant design change in the S25 Ultra: rounded edges. For the past few years, Samsung's Galaxy Ultra series has featured sharp edges, a design choice that has given these phones a striking and distinctive appearance. They're easily recognizable, no matter the angle. However, while this design has been celebrated by many, some users have expressed concerns about the ergonomics. It seems Samsung has taken this feedback to heart, opting for a return to rounded edges. Fortunately, the rounded design doesn't make the S25 Ultra resemble an iPhone 16. It retains its signature brick-like shape, balancing comfort and aesthetic appeal. Another noticeable improvement is in the bezels, making the overall design even more refined. At its upcoming Unpacked event in January, Samsung is anticipated to unveil not 3, but 4 Galaxy S25 models. The 4th edition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, was recently teased in a leaked promotional material. The Galaxy S25 Slim has been the subject of a few rumors suggesting it may launch later in the year compared to the other 3 S25 devices. A recent report, supported by details from Samsung's latest One UI 7 beta, reinforces this speculation. The beta includes a list of US carrier-specific Samsung phone models, but notably, the Galaxy S25 Slim's model number is absent. Earlier reports hinted at a Q2 release window, April to June, for the S25 Slim, aligning with the information uncovered in the One UI 7 beta. Rumored specifications for the Galaxy S25 Slim include a 6.66-inch display, a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera offering 3.5x optical zoom. It is also expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and a battery capacity ranging from 4,700 mAh to 5,000 mAh. The year 2025 begins with a treat for Samsung enthusiasts as renders of the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra have emerged. With Samsung expected to officially unveil its latest flagship later this month, fans are buzzing with excitement, even though no official material leaks are anticipated this year. Renowned concept designer Technizo Concept has unveiled a fresh set of Galaxy S25 Ultra renders, inspired by CAD designs shared by OnLeaks a few weeks ago. These renders highlight the device's potential color options, offering a glimpse into its possible aesthetics. One of the most notable updates is the Galaxy S25 Ultra's redesigned frame. Taking cues from the flat frame design popularized by iPhones, the new frame exudes a sleek and modern feel. Slightly rounded corners enhance comfort, making the device easy to hold even during prolonged use. The rear panel also features significant changes, particularly in the camera setup. Samsung is introducing thicker black camera rims, drawing inspiration from the design language of the Z Fold 6. While not an exact replica, these bold rims bring a fresh and distinctive look to the Galaxy S25 series. Fans are eagerly awaiting the official unveiling to see how these design elements come to life in Samsung's newest flagship. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra continues to impress with its performance scores. The latest Geekbench results spotlight the SMS9380 model, designated for the Chinese market, which features the same Snapdragon 8 Elite overclocked variant chipset as the US version. In the latest test, the Galaxy S25 Ultra achieved 3,049 points in single-core and 9,793 points in multi-core performance on Geekbench, paired with 12 GB of RAM in its base configuration. While these scores highlight its impressive power, they suggest that optimization is still ongoing. Notably, a test 2 months ago revealed a multi-core score exceeding 10,000, setting a high bar for performance. Rumors have been circulating about Samsung equipping the entire Galaxy S25 lineup with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset globally. However, we've approached these claims cautiously, tempering expectations to avoid disappointment. Now there's reason to be optimistic. Fresh evidence has surfaced to support these rumors. The international variant of the base Galaxy S25 model, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, has appeared on the Geekbench benchmark database, as reported by Tarun Vats. This marks the first instance of the international Galaxy S25 model showing up on Geekbench. Previously, only the Korean and US variants had been spotted. Interestingly, a few weeks ago, the international Galaxy S25 Plus variant was listed on Geekbench featuring the Exynos 2500 chip, so it's too early to consider anything fully confirmed. Additionally, the benchmark data reveals that the tested Galaxy S25 device came with 12 gigabytes of RAM. This aligns with rumors suggesting Samsung plans to make 12 gigabytes of RAM standard across all three Galaxy S25 models. Your phone could save your life, but will it? The Galaxy S25 series brings a groundbreaking car crash detection sensor, a feature that could redefine smartphone safety. Hidden within leaked Galaxy S25 files, this advanced technology mirrors the sensors found in the Galaxy S24, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. But there's a twist. Samsung hasn't confirmed if it's fully enabled. While Android's car crash detection feature, powered by motion sensors and AI, has been a game changer since its debut with Google's Pixel 8 in 2023, the Galaxy S24 and Z Fold 6, despite housing the same sensor, lack active support. Apple already offers a similar feature on iPhone 14 and newer models. Will Samsung follow suit or leave users waiting? The highly awaited Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to launch next month, and fans are buzzing as leaks reveal exciting upgrades in screen quality and durability. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's 6.9-inch QHD Plus screen is a standout feature of Samsung's Ultra series. Reports from Android authorities suggest the phone could hit a peak brightness of an incredible 3,000 nits. This means the screen will be super clear even in bright sunlight, making outdoor use easier than ever before. Samsung is also stepping up durability with next-gen technology. Tipster Ice Universe shared that the S25 Ultra will debut the second-generation Corning Gorilla Armor Glass. This advanced glass not only offers stronger protection, but also cuts down on screen glare, making the display even sharper. Together, these improvements take brightness and toughness to the next level. Samsung is getting ready to reveal the Galaxy S25 series at its big Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd, 2025. Until now, there wasn't much info on when the phones would be available, but we finally have some updates. Rumors suggest pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 will start on January 24th, just 2 days after the event, and end on February 3rd. Those who pre-order might get their phones as early as February 4th. This schedule is about a week earlier than the Galaxy S24 series, which launched on January 31st this year. It seems like Samsung is speeding things up to stay ahead of the competition. Leaker Yogesh Brar shared the expected specs for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which include a 6.8-inch QHD LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a quad-camera setup featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, and a 10-megapixel periscope lens, along with a 12-megapixel front camera. The device will offer up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabytes of storage, One UI 7 based on Android 15, a 5,000 mAh battery, and 45 watts fast charging. A potential Galaxy S25 Ultra color has sparked debate among fans after a Samsung leaker revealed an image. While the source identified the shade as blue, another insider argued it closely resembles gray, fueling discussions as the highly anticipated Unpacked event nears. Ice Universe recently shared a post featuring the supposed blue variant of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. However, the color's appearance leans more towards gray, prompting Jukan Losrev to respond with the term gray to highlight the apparent mismatch. As of now, the original leaker has not clarified the discrepancy, leaving enthusiasts eager for further updates. A few years back, the Qi 2 wireless charging standard was introduced, incorporating Apple's MagSafe magnetic alignment system for improved convenience. Recently, reports surfaced suggesting that the Galaxy S25 might adopt Qi 2, but there might be a twist. Just days ago, a leaked list of official Galaxy S25 accessories included a magnet case, fueling speculation that the Galaxy S25 would support Key 2 wireless charging. However, uncertainty remained about whether the phone would also feature MagSafe-like magnetic alignment through Qi 2. Now there's some clarity on the matter. The Wireless Power Consortium, WPC, which oversees the Qi standard, has confirmed, via Android Police, that any device bearing the Qi 2 logo includes the Magnetic Power Profile, MPP, a magnetic alignment feature inspired by Apple's MagSafe technology. Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S25 series on January 22nd, and a recent report indicates that the entire lineup will exclusively feature Snapdragon processors. According to ET News, the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra will all be equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This aligns with recent trends, as Galaxy S devices in previous years have primarily used Snapdragon chips. Earlier speculation suggested that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would use a Snapdragon processor, while the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus might feature Samsung's Exynos 2500 chip. However, reports now suggest that Samsung may have opted for Snapdragon chips across all models due to production challenges with the Exynos 2500. The Galaxy S25 is anticipated to be unveiled late next month, with a teaser for Samsung's upcoming flagship phone already leaked ahead of the official announcement. Renowned leaker Evan Blass at EveLeaks has shared what appears to be Samsung's launch invite for the Galaxy S25 series. The teaser not only offers a glimpse of the phone's corners, but also confirms the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd, 2025. Samsung is reportedly working on the Galaxy S25 Slim, a flagship device designed with a focus on reduced thickness. The phone is expected to feature a large display, a capable camera system, and impressive power specifications. A recent leak has hinted at the potential dimensions of the Galaxy S25 Slim. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Slim could measure between 6mm and 7mm in thickness, making it the thinnest Samsung flagship to date. This would surpass even the Galaxy S25 set to launch next month in terms of sleekness. For comparison, the Galaxy S25 is rumored to have a 7.2mm thickness, slightly slimmer than the 7.6mm of the Galaxy S24. Leaker at Juken Los Rey shared a tweet on X featuring Spigen's liquid crystal case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with its packaging. The case image reveals a circular pattern in the center, hinting at support for magnetic, MagSafe-style wireless charging. The box confirms this with a label stating MagFit for MagSafe. This aligns with certain rumors about the Galaxy S25 series, including claims that the new devices will lack a magnetic power profile. In preparation, Samsung is reportedly finalizing its launch strategy for the new flagship lineup and other devices this week. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.